Welcome to Excel hack number 4. We're going to talk about a hidden feature within Microsoft Excel called the camera tool. Now this feature has actually been around inside of Excel ever since I can remember, all the way back to the 1997 version of the Office Suite. That's when I began teaching Excel and the Office Suite in general. It's been around forever, but very few people know about this feature. Here's the problem, or here's the scenario that I want to give you that this camera tool is really going to fix. Now, I'm on this blank worksheet, 04 camera tool. Just to the right of this worksheet, I've got one called 2013, one called 2014, and one called 2015. Now, these are 3 separate worksheets, or 4 included the camera tool worksheet. Now, the 2013, 14, and 15, because they're 3 separate sheets, I'm not able to print all 3 pieces or content from those 3 separate sheets onto one piece of paper. I want to take all 3 of the contents of these 3 sheets and print them out all into one sheet of paper. Well, I would normally have to copy and paste, right? We'd have to go to 2013, highlight this, copy it, paste it over to here, and do the same thing for 14, copy, paste, and so on. But here's what the camera tool can do for you. Take a look. I'm going to start out on 13. Now, I'm going to select the data that I want to bring over to the camera tool worksheet, what I ultimately want to print out together with 2014 and 15. So with that highlighted, I'm going to go up to my quick access toolbar. And I'm going to go a little drop down arrow here. This feature, the camera tool, isn't available by default. You have to activate it. Underneath the drop down, I'm going to go to more commands. I'm going to find where it says popular commands and change that from popular to all commands. Now I'm just going to scroll down until I find the camera tool. CAM, where is it at? There it is. Even looks like a little camera icon next to it. I'll select it. I'm going to hit the add button and I'll hit OK. And I've now got this little camera up here at the top. Now with this data selected, I'll click on the camera. It looks like I've copied it essentially. But now I'm going to hop over to the camera tool worksheet and look at my cursor. See how it's a little tiny plus sign? I'm going to left click and drag, and as I do that, I take a little snapshot. It's like a little image of that data from 2013. Let's try that again. I'll go to 2014. I'm going to highlight the data, click on the camera tool. Looks like it's copied. Go over to my camera tool worksheet. I'll left click and drag, and there it is. Now, here's something really neat. And we can do this again with 15. Let's just do it one more time really quickly here. Grab that, hit the camera, back over to camera tool, I'll left click and drag. Now I've got all 3 of them on one worksheet and I can print that out. Now here's a really neat thing. These little snapshots, these kind of images, are still connected to the data back on their respective worksheets. Watch this. Here's Beverly, 985,134. That came from 2013. Let's change that. Let's just change it to 1. I'm going to hit my enter key, go back to camera tool, and look at that. It updated. The camera tool is like little snapshots, like copy and paste, but they're still connected, and they're like little images, combining all of this content into one spot for printing or dashboards or whatever it might be. But remember, you got to activate the camera tool. Turn it on. It's inside of your quick launch area, your quick access toolbar, and just add it. Try it out.